Hey, it's Scott here, your tour guide with Strolls and Stories Tours. We are excited to launch our Las Cruces Walking Tour, a self-guided audio-video tour package which includes the charming historic town of Mesilla and New Mexico State University. Mesilla sits directly south of Las Cruces and features a historic town square surrounded by charming adobe buildings. Learn why Mesilla was originally founded and hear how the stagecoach used to come through. We stroll past New Mexico's oldest movie theater. We learn who was operating an illegal gambling game out of the back room of the mercantile that used to be in this storefront. Oh, this is a good story. We'll learn the tale of Billy the Kid and how Mesilla was once both a territorial capital and county seat. We stroll past charming restaurants, pubs, and shops all along the way that you'll want to stop in and explore. We stroll through the charming New Mexico State University campus where we see historic buildings and museums. We learn about the famous architect of the Southwest, Henry Trost, who designed the master plan for the university and several of the historic buildings. We stroll past Works Progress Administration funded public art from the Great Depression era and so much more. Learn what Memorial Tower first housed. Oh, this is a good story. Learn the tale of Pistol Pete, the mascot of New Mexico State University, who happens to have been a real person. We visit downtown Las Cruces, where we see the historic first library here in Las Cruces, today a cultural center museum. We stroll past a historic theater in downtown Las Cruces. Hear the historic story of this old adobe hotel, which today is being restored. We stroll past the historic courthouse and learn who once filmed a movie here. And we visit the charming old railroad depot, where we learn why the town of Mesilla passes on having the railroad stop. Oh my! All of this and so much more on our Strolls and Stories Tours Las Cruces Walking Tour, a self-guided audio-video tour that explores downtown Las Cruces, the historic town of Mesilla, and New Mexico State University. Book today at strollsandstoriestours.com.